Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a virtual journey to the breathtaking Mont Saint-Michel in France. Get ready to discover 15 incredible facts about this iconic island commune that you might not know. Let's get started. Fact 1. Historical origins. Mont Saint-Michel dates back to the 8th century when it was founded by Bishop Aubert of Avranches, who, according to legend, was inspired by a vision of the Archangel Michael. Fact 2. A natural wonder. Mont Saint-Michel is known for its stunning tides. It transforms from an island at high tide to a connected piece of land at low tide, making it a natural marvel. Fact 3. A UNESCO World Heritage Site. In 1979, Mont Saint-Michel and its bay were designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site due to their cultural significance and natural beauty. Fact 4. The Abbey. At the heart of Mont Saint-Michel is the Abbey of Mont Saint-Michel, a magnificent Gothic structure that has been a place of pilgrimage for centuries. Fact 5. A strategic fortress. During the 100 Years' War, Mont Saint-Michel was fortified and successfully resisted sieges, earning it the reputation of being impregnable. Fact 6. Population. Despite being a major tourist attraction, Mont Saint-Michel has a tiny population of around 30 permanent residents. Imagine living in such a unique place. Fact 7. The Causeway. The modern causeway, built in the 1870s, connects Mont Saint-Michel to the mainland, allowing easier access for visitors while still preserving its island charm. Fact 8. Medieval streets. The narrow, winding streets of Mont Saint-Michel transport you back in time. They are lined with charming shops, cafes, and historical buildings. Fact 9. The Merveille. The Merveille, or Marvel, is a series of rooms in the Abbey that showcase stunning medieval architecture and offer breathtaking views of the bay. Fact 10. Pilgrimage tradition. Mont Saint-Michel has been a major pilgrimage site for centuries, attracting thousands of pilgrims who walk across the bay to reach the Abbey. Fact 11. The Bay. The Bay of Mont Saint-Michel is home to diverse wildlife and has the highest tidal variations in Europe, with tides reaching up to 14 meters 46 feet. Fact 12. Monastic life. A small community of monks and nuns still live and work at Mont Saint-Michel, continuing the centuries-old tradition of monastic life. Fact 13. Cultural inspirations. Mont Saint-Michel has inspired numerous artists, writers, and filmmakers. It even influenced the design of Minas Tirith in the Lord of the Rings movies. Fact 14. The statue of Archangel Michael. At the very top of the Abbey stands a gilded statue of the Archangel Michael, symbolizing protection and power. It's a stunning sight that crowns the island. Fact 15. Visitor experience. Every year, Mont Saint-Michel attracts over 3 million visitors who come to explore its rich history, stunning architecture, and unique natural setting. And there you have it, 15 amazing facts about Mont Saint-Michel. Whether you're planning a visit or just dreaming from afar, this iconic landmark is truly a wonder. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating travel facts. Until next time, happy exploring!